Here's a quick video of the TRAM D201A. It was completely gone over. All the electrolytic capacitors have been replaced and it's been given a complete alignment and check over. Pull the cover up here real quick. It has the hinge cover. You can see here all the capacitors on the audio board have been replaced, as well as the BA audio board, it should be called, and the main audio board. On the balance modulator, all the capacitors have been changed there. Crystal board is good. And on the main board, all the capacitors have been changed as well. Someone previously changed all the B+ current limiting resistors to higher wattage resistors. I don't know if I would have went to that extreme, but nevertheless somebody did it previously. So there you have it. This TRAM has the 6DG6, the smaller tube, but nevertheless it still does good output power here. So we'll close the door here and I'll show you what it does. This one also has a variable power mod that was done. So basically on the squelch control now, it acts as a variable power. You can see here. The dead key goes anywhere between 1.5 watts and 5 watts.
Audio 1, 2. 5 watts dead key. Audio. Audio. About 30 to 40 watts peak it swings.
And same thing if we bring the dead key all the way down. One watt, 1.5 watts dead key.
Audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 35 watts or so. You can see the audio waveform looks extremely good on here. I'll get rid of the
feedback here on the monitor. You can see the audio waveform. Audio has some nice clean peaks to it. So famous TRAM audio. And the receiver. The receiver's been aligned. Let's put the generator on. We've got 50 microvolts. It should be about S9 on the meter. There you go, S9. So, radio's working real well. And should last another 20 or 30 years at this point. So there you go, TRAM D201A.